Hi guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to remove all the center trim pieces in your Mercedes C-Class W204. So let's get straight into the video. We'll remove the gear shift boot, so just pinch it inwards and just pull it straight up. Now you twist it anti-clockwise and just pull it down and just pull straight up on the gear lever. Now you have got the gear lever and the shift boot out. So now what you're gonna do is there are these clips in this metal bezel. Pull it up, disconnect the wire. Now we'll remove this center bezel. Just pull it straight up towards yourself. Now just take out this ashtray, close the cover and just pull it towards yourself. And you have taken this trim also out. And now to take this trim out, remove these two screws. Just pull it towards yourself. Just open this up. So just remove all the cables. Taking this white cable out, removing this bezel, just need to pull the clips out. There are 4 clips on each corner. I'm just taking out all the clips. When I take all the clips out, I'll show you. After prying that off, there are these 4 clips. After prying that off, you can also replace your AC control module, replace your shift selector, replace your cigarette lighter, everything that is related to this bezel. So guys, if you need to remove your shifter, then you have to remove these 3 or 4 torque screws. Now we are gonna put it all back together, so let's get started. First I'm just gonna connect all the connectors. AC control module connector, and I'm just gonna place it like that. Close the trim by pushing back the pins in their place. So now let's put back the ashtray and the cigarette lighter. Lighter module, just connect this white wire with this wire. I have connected the wire. Now I'm gonna place it in its position. Put back the screws. Now take the trim, line it there and just push it back and press it. There will be a clicking sound and it works. So I'm now just gonna place my ashtray in there, and this one is complete. Now we are gonna put the outside trim of the gear shifter trim. I'm gonna just place it back so it goes in there, and just push the clips down. It's all completed. Push this gear selector indicator, take its wire, put it in this, and I'll just close this. There will be a clicking sound and it's now back into place. Now we're just gonna place the shifter handle and shifter boot. We're gonna place our shifter boot, just slide it over the handle and just push it and just place the pin and turn it clockwise. Just place back the shifter boot from all 4 sides, press it back, put it in parking. Now that's how you put all your trim back. Thanks guys for watching, and like, share, subscribe.